My heart goes out to the loss of life, but I've lost mine.
Brenda is living with unimaginable pain. She was once active, commuting to work every day, but now getting out of bed takes an hour. She is one of millions sat on a waiting list for surgery.
I really haven't left the house, to be honest with you, because I can't. I've just become completely immobile after leading a very active life.
As of the end of February, 4.7 million people were waiting to start hospital treatment in England, a record high. 1 million patients have been waiting longer than 6 months, and over 387,000 have been waiting more than a year for routine procedures. This, the consequences of COVID care, as these numbers have snowballed during the pandemic. Unions say a lack of investment in the NHS has let people down.
Invest in the NHS so that we have enough staff adequately paid on the front line. And we need to have a really realistic attitude and understanding of how long it's going to take. This is about years rather than months or weeks to get through this backlog.
For those working inside our hospitals, the situation is likely going to get worse before it improves, as the NHS tries to deal with new patients being referred for treatment and those already on the waiting lists. NHS England acknowledged the pandemic's impact. Despite a treacherous year, they still managed to deliver 2 million routine operations during the winter wave. But with the workforce already stretched, solving it will take time. But tonight, a big promise from the Prime Minister.
We're going to make sure that we give the NHS all the funding that it needs, as we have done throughout the pandemic, to beat the backlog. And I think we've put about £92 billion already extra into the NHS this year, and we're going to do whatever it takes. But the NHS has done an incredible job so far. I have no doubt that they're going to be able to tackle this as well.
A £1 billion NHS recovery fund hopes to shrink the numbers, but millions want the money promised to translate to appointment dates so they can finally begin their road to recovery. Ashna Harinag, Sky News.